Hello guys! Our topic for today is ratio and proportion. A proportion involves ratios. A ratio is a comparison of numbers of two different things. You may watch my video on understanding ratios. A proportion also involves equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios are two or more ratios that have the same values. Let us take this sample. 2:4 is equal to 1:2, which is also equal to 1/2 and 2/4 and 3/6. 1:2 can also be written in fraction as 1/2 to have an equivalent ratio. We can multiply any numbers to the given ratio like 1/2. Multiply both numbers by 2 and it will give 2/4. If we multiply both numbers by 3, the equivalent ratio will be 3/6. We can also have equivalent ratio if we divide the given ratio by its common factor. Let us take this sample. 3/6 divide both numbers by its common factor, which is 3. So in 3/6, we divide both numbers by 3 and we get 1/2. This equivalent ratio also shows proportion. Proportion is an equation which defines that the two given ratios are equivalent to each other. In other words, proportion is a statement of equality between two ratios or fractions. The symbol of colon or equal sign are used to denote proportion. Take this example. 1:3 is equal to 3:9. 1:3 is equivalent or equals to 3:9. Proportion has two parts. The numbers that we find inside are called means, while the numbers outside are called extremes. We can say that two ratios are in proportion if the product of means and the product of extremes are equal. Now let us try. 3 times 3 is equal to 9, and 9 times 1 is also equal to 9. This means that they are a proportion. Let us take another example. 1/2 is equal to 3/6. Here, we can use cross multiplication. So, 1 times 6 and it is equal to 6. And 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Since the cross products are equal, the ratios form a proportion. If a term is missing in a given proportion, it can be solved using cross multiplication. For example, 2/1 is equal to n over 3. We multiply 2 with 3 and it is equal to 6. Then, let us divide 6 with the partner of the missing number, which is 1. So 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, the missing number is 6. Let us take another example. n:3 is equal to 3:9. Let us multiply the means. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then, we divide 9 with the partner of the missing number, which is 9. So, 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Let us try this example. The ratio of red cars to blue cars in the parking area is 5:7. If there are 49 blue cars, then find the number of red cars. To solve this, first, let the number of red cars be n. Then, write the given ratios of 5 red cars over 7 blue cars, and it is equal to n red cars over 49 blue cars. Let us find the missing number using cross multiplication. 7 times n is equal to 5 times 49. 7 times n will be 7n, and 5 times 49 is equal to 245. To find n, let us divide 245 by 7, and it is equal to 35. Therefore, n is equal to 35. So, the statement to make it a proportion is 5/7 equals 35/49. Now let us recap. In proportion, we need to remember ratio and equivalent ratios. Second, proportions can be written as two equal fractions or using a colon. And third, terms of proportions, which are means that are the inner numbers and extremes that are the outer numbers in proportion. And lastly, if a term is missing in a given proportion, we can solve it using cross multiplication. And that's it. Now you know ratio and proportion. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.